Hey there, in this lesson I will be teaching you how to analyze a problem using these steps. Step 1. Thoroughly understand the problem and all requirements. Step 2. Understand the problem requirements. Does the program require user interaction? Does the program manipulate data? What is the output? Step 3. If complex, divide the problem into subproblems. Analyze and design algorithms for each subproblem. Check the correctness of the algorithm. Test the algorithm using sample data. Some mathematical analysis might be required. Once the algorithm is designed and correctness is verified, write the equivalent code in high-level language. Enter the program using a text editor. Run code through the compiler. If compiler generates errors, look at code and remove errors. Run code again through compiler. If there are no syntax errors, compiler generates equivalent machine code. Link machine code with the system's resources performed by the linker. Once compiled and linked, the loader can place program into main memory for execution. The final step is to execute the program. Compiler guarantees that the program follows the rules of the language, but it does not guarantee that the program will run correctly. Those were the steps for problem analysis before programming. Please share your thoughts on the comments section below on where I can improve. If this benefits you in any way, please subscribe, like and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. See you on the next lesson.